The Blind Men and the Elephant. Once upon a time, in a small village, a group of blind men heard of a strange animal that had been brought to town, an elephant. Curious, they decided to approach the creature and learn what it was like. Since they could not see, they touched the elephant to form an understanding of it. The first man, touching the trunk, exclaimed, "Ah, the elephant is like a snake." The second man, feeling the leg, disagreed, saying, "No, it is like a tree." The third, touching the side, declared, "It is like a wall." Another, holding the tail, claimed, "Surely, it is like a rope." One man, grabbing the ear, argued, "It's like a large fan." The last one, touching the tusk, said, "You're all wrong, it is like a spear." The blind men began to argue, each absolutely sure that their interpretation was the correct one. They didn't realize that each of them was partially correct, but none had the whole picture.